Okay, welcome everyone to the haunted casino.
Where there's gonna be a brick named Haunted.
Definitely. Get ready to get scammed.
Scam. Okay, so on Halloween, you go visit the haunted casino, okay? And there's an urban legend that you can make a fortune if you play the games at this place. The legend also says that if you lose, you get trapped in the house forever.
No.
But since you're smart, or hopefully since you think you're smart, you have a strategy to help you make a fortune. In other words, you're good at math.
I have a strong feeling that the really smart thing in this is gonna be a piece of paper named money.
Well, we'll see if you're correct. So you are entering the casino and you see a fake ghost guarding the door. You're not scared because you know it's fake, unlike this ghost. Anyway,
That's totally real. Totally.
totally not a Pez dispenser.
Yeah.
If you get cursed, you cannot leave. So how hard can it be to not get cursed? Well, we are going to go through the door and find out. There's
Okay. You go.
There's actually a mysterious box on the floor next to where you walked inside, and you pick it up because it says open if you need help.
Do they mean mental help or physical help or emotional help?
Any of the above.
So you pick up the box, and it's probably just like a good thing to have, just in case. So you walk down the hallway, and at the very end, there is a small room. Oh, okay. And then a deck of standard cards lies on a wooden table. So you draw 3 cards one by one without replacement. If you get 2 aces, you'll be allowed to continue. If you get 3 aces, you'll get $1 million. But if you get less than 2, you'll receive a terrible curse. What is the probability that you'll get exactly 3 aces? Let's think about this. Since we've already learned this, I'm gonna give you guys some time to think about this a little. Use your math smartness. I see some people in the chat. Anybody else have an opinion? I don't know why my voice is so weird.
Come on, guys. We gotta know. Otherwise, we'll get cursed.
Facts.
But go.
Okay. Should we wait? So do we keep points or something?
Nah, it's like the storyline.
Okay. Should we reveal the answer? Oh, okay. So how do we get this? Well, I think you were right, Zachary. So basically, let's see. Wait, can you see when I write on there?
Yep.
Wow, okay. So basically, you have first, well, how many aces are there in the deck? Well, there's 1 per suit. So there's 4. So there's 52 cards total. So first we have 4 out of 52. These are the probability of drawing an ace on your first time. And then so there's no replacement, which means that both your top and bottom get decreased by 1. So instead of having 4 aces out of 52 cards. Now you only have 3 aces out of 51. So that's your probability of drawing an ace on your second turn. And finally, the probability of drawing an ace on your third turn. Well, same process. Now there are 50 cards total, and there's only 2 aces left in the deck. So if you multiply all this, you should get this. But yeah, I don't think you simplified. That should be the right number, but I don't know. I can't do that in my head.
Can you turn it into a decimal? Because I got it in a decimal and I want to know the decimal answer.
Okay.
The decimal answer is really, really slim, so.
Let me put it into my calculator.
And that's also really slim, so it might be right.
Let's see. 452 times 351 times 2 out of 50. You're right. Yeah, that's right. Just in decimal form. Good job. Okay, clear all drawings. There you go.
All right, time to find out what happened. This is what you flip. An ace, and moment of truth.
Uh-oh.
So you didn't get $1 million, but we also didn't get cursed. Since we got
Yay.
2 aces,
Channel damage.
yeah, we can move on. Since we have 2 aces. So let's see what happens next.
So even though you didn't make any money, you didn't get cursed either. And honestly, given the odds, I think that's like a really great outcome. So as you put the cards back on the table, a trapdoor suddenly opens beneath your feet and you fall. Whee!
Whee!
You fall into a room, a deep, dark room. And then when you open your eyes, you find that the box has opened, the mysterious box that you picked up near the door. Let's find out what's inside.
I think it's the box that's going to be haunted. The box.
You see a weird spinning wheel. Let's spin the wheel
You
and see what
open that up. You open that up.
Shh, be quiet.
happens. A ghost gives us $195.
Nice.
Yay. Okay,
I
I'm
wanted
writing that
more.
down.
I wanted more. I want more. I want more.
Beggars can't be choosers.
Oh,
All right, so the box helped us so much. We are so rich now. Awesome. Let's
Are
continue.
we still in the room?
Oh, but we're still in this deep, dark, scary room. Uh-oh.
Oh no. So before you is a super scary beast with red eyes, hairs, and claws, like the drawing on the right. He says he will let you pass unharmed if you answer his question correctly.
You should make it a sphinx.
If they have red eyes, how can they see good?
He has pink eye.
You could just like go.
No, the red eyes are because of the increased blood flow to the eyes. The
True.
increased blood flow causes like really fast.
If
This
there's
is
these blood,
eyeballs.
I mean, there is.
He's just really tired. Anyways, so if my name is Jeremy, how many ways are there to rearrange the letters in my name? So Jeremy asks what the answer is.
Are the E's different or are the same?
They're the same.
Same. Okay.
No tricks. I think Jeremy's more tired than I am, you know? I don't think my eyes have ever gotten that red. Maybe he has like seasonal allergies or something.
Well, Kayang, I hate to tell you this, but
But
I'm kidding.
alrighty, I'm seeing 360. You answered confidently. 360.
Then you get ripped to shreds.
Ha, says the werewolf. You fell for my trick. My name's actually Jeremiah. I lied to you. He sticks out his tongue to reveal Jeremiah tattooed on it. You're wrong. Uh-oh.
Stupid wolf.
Can't be trusting these people. You've got to look around.
Said
And then
it.
the werewolf starts chasing you down the corridor.
I thought you were smart. I'm so wrong.
You're starting to regret coming to the haunted casino. You didn't think it was actually gonna kill you.
Spooky symbols. So you notice a really large box right in front of you that requires 3 digits to unlock. Okay. Maybe that's where all the money is, it's a casino. There should be money. So what is the probability you would be able to open the box? And the box says no digits are repeated and order doesn't matter. Okay. So no digits can be the same and order does not matter. I'll give you guys a second to think about that.
All right, bonus question. Is this a combination or a permutation? Type combination or permutation into the chat. Good work.
Combo. Okay. Did people actually answer or did they just say combination?
we
Now I'm
got
confused.
we got some answers.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's right.
Why is there the root 2 on there? Why is root 2 over there? I mean, like, that's not even a rational.
Spooky symbol.
Decoration.
It's not even a rational number. That doesn't go with the problem. It's not even rational.
The square root is a spooky symbol.
Since when though?
Since now. Anyways, so let's see. Let's reveal the answer. The answer is 1 out of 120. How on earth did we get that? Well, you guys realize that when no digits are repeated and order doesn't matter, then we use combinations. So how many digits are like possible, Well, it's 0 to 9. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is 10 different digits. And since the question says that there's 3 digits, you choose 3 of them. So 10 choose 3 is 120. And obviously only one of those will be the actual like combination needed to unlock it. So you would get 1 out of 120. Good job, guys.
All right, and if you have questions at any time, feel free to ask. So you open the box and inside you find a tiny bottle that's labeled anti-werewolf potion.
Oh.
So you got the 1 out of 120 chance, I guess. And you hear footsteps behind you. So you throw the bottle. Remember, the werewolf is chasing you.
Imagine your luck. You can get 1 out of 120, but you can't get 1 out of 5,525 or something.
And you hear a human voice, which is crazy because there is a werewolf chasing you. And you turn around and you see a person. So what
Find
happened?
out daytime.
Thank you for saving me. I've been trapped here since I was 23. Oh no. You notice his gray hairs and hesitantly ask, how old are you now? Well, I came here back in 1872. Oh, so I don't really know. By the way, my name is Jeremiah. When exactly in 1872 were you trapped here?
Oh wait, let me be the werewolf.
Okay.
October 30th, 1872. So long ago. But I remember it like it was yesterday.
Hey, Oh, that's today. Well, just a few years more, just a little bit, you know.
All right,
So-
so the question is, how many months has Jeremiah been trapped here?
It says months.
He's 150 years old.
It's
Hints.
just a little bit old, you know.
Totally. The last time I heard the average human lifespan was 75 years old. He's double. He's old.
Special then. So how many months is it? Yolanda, would you like to reveal the answer?
Yes. You guys are right. So let's see how many years. For years, we have today's, oops, what am I doing? 2022. So he's been trapped for 150 years on the dot. And each year is 12 months. Boom, boom, boom.
That's just sad. That's just sad.
I know, but we managed to save him, which is awesome. We should all be very proud of ourselves.
No, is the 30 like October 30th a coincidence or what? And it says 31 on there. It says 31 on there. Not 30.
Well, you come up with your own theory for why Jeremiah was captured and turned into a werewolf on October 30th.
Probably because there's another werewolf.
Well,
Guys, you know what's exciting? The mysterious box is back.
so with Jeremiah at your side, you move on to the next door. As you're walking, you hear a rattling inside your backpack. It turns out your box had opened all by itself. Interesting.
I already did that before, didn't I?
What will it be this time?
All
Let's-
right, you ready? Oh, I forgot to remove it last time. So hopefully we don't get the same thing. If we get the same thing, I'm re-rolling.
Why am
No,
I?
No, by the time this all has happened, I would be thinking of The Conjuring.
Oops, it's the same thing. We're not getting another 100.
How did we get the exact same one?
I would be thinking of The
Right.
Conjuring or something by now if this was happening.
Nothing happens.
Oh man.
Oh no. Why am I featured?
You know, guys, nothing happened. Should we roll the box again?
Yes.
Let's roll
All
a
right,
box.
do you think we should do it one more time? Let's see. Oh, I forgot to remove that too. So, oh my
Oh my
god.
goodness. Are you sure this isn't rigged?
Oopsies.
Oh wait, it just goes one rotation. Like it doesn't
Yeah,
like
it's like stupid. Oh well.
the money earned from the
Hmm.
question is doubled. Okay.
So you got to get it right. Let's
Imagine
see.
it's like -17.
No, finds out the next question gives you $0.
It's possible.
Hey, I gained $0 more.
All right. Demonic dice. So there's 3 dice on the floor. And if you roll a sum of 13, there's a sign on the wall saying that if you roll a sum of 13, you will get $100. But then after that, you're going to have to escape from a bunch of zombies. If you don't roll 13, you continue on, but you don't get any money and you don't face any monsters. So you roll one of the die and it gets a 6. Now, what is the probability that after that you're going to roll a 13? All right,
Is
give
it
it a try.
really worth like zombies for $100? Like is
Yes,
it?
Kai Young, we're greedy here. We want that money, even if it means we have to sacrifice our lives.
Who's gonna use the money once I die then?
Me in heaven.
The demon shall reclaim his money from his demonic dice that he has spawned on this crude world.
You know, now I really want bunny ears. I should buy like a bunny ear headband.
I'm gonna attempt to become a bunny.
No, only I can be a bunny.
Oh, are you gatekeeping right now? Let's see. Oh my gosh, wait. Oh my god, I see the cursed picture that we took a long time ago as one of our virtual background options.
Oh no.
You know what I'm talking about? It's like really bad.
Make it the background.
I'm gonna make it for like 2 seconds, okay?
All right, prepare yourselves. Oh my god.
Well,
We
two-
made like an infinite loop. Of
yes.
pictures. Like when you put two mirrors back to back. Okay, anyway. Yes, Zachary is and other people saying 1-6. You guys are correct. So the way you think about this problem is that the first die is already a 6. So that's kind of irrelevant. And if you want to roll a 13, you just need 7 more points from 2 dice. So the question is basically asking, what's the chance of rolling a 7 from 2 dice? And let's write out the possibilities. So one way you can get a 7 is if you get a 1 on the first dice and a 6 on the second dice, 2 and 5, 3 and 4. And then you can also get it the other way around. Like you get a 6 on the first time, 1 on the second one, 5 and 2, 4 and 3. So that's a total of 6 possibilities. Purple and purple. Okay, that works. And then the total number of possibilities from 2 dice is 6 times 6, which is 36. So we get 1/6. I think I kind of like those odds for money. Who cares about the zombies?
Finds out the zombies are rigged with machine guns.
Oh, and remember, our money is doubled. So hopefully we win and we get that 15 points.
How much money or do you have?
Then what do you do about the rigged zombies with like, I don't know, rocket and
I'm
machine guns?
sure we can run fast, right? We're like track stars.
It's a rocket launcher. It has like 5 meters of range.
Mm.
That
Wait.
can like one shot.
So your first roll is a 6. Drum roll, please. What is the second roll? A 2. And then the third roll is a
Here.
1.
Yeah.
No.
No
Oh,
rigged
Next
zombies. No rigged
question.
zombies.
No!
This is depressing.
So depressing.
Depression be like,
Huh?
What?
Oh my god. She tricked
Wow.
us.
What luck.
everybody, it's not called luck. It's called the demonic presence.
You mean it's called Ally?
So you
I
may or
think
may not
something
have drawn
fishy is
3
going
more.
on. Something haunted.
It's called a haunted house. Duh, something's haunted. It's gonna happen.
Anyways, so you and Jeremiah leave with an extra $200 for us, but a horde of zombies drops down from the ceiling and starts to chase you. Sort of expected, honestly.
Ah, terrifying.
Beautiful.
Those zombies just look like your past babysitters, to be honest.
Your babysitters look like I'm concerned.
Oh.
Mysterious box round 3. I think I forgot to remove the other one again. So you decide to give the box another go. Maybe it'll save you from zombies. Possibly. So let's give it a try.
Or land on the same thing again.
Oh,
It's still giving it a try though. Get the
uh-oh.
I know.
in hospital bills from eating too much candy.
Come on.
Why?
Why'd you eat so much candy? Huh? Why'd you do that?
Now you're gonna die. Now you're gonna die. Now you're
Now
gonna
we are
die.
at $295.
No.
Not bad.
It's okay, guys. Anyways, so
Wait, how do we go to the hospital mid, like,
That wasn't much help at all, obviously. Even worse, you and Jeremiah reach a fork in the hallway guarded by a creepy pumpkin. The pumpkin poses a riddle for you and Jeremiah to solve in order for it to show you the correct way, left or right, out of the house. Which of the two arrangements are identical? Huh.
Oops. The answer.
Okay, so guys, funny story. So let's see. I'm gonna attempt to cover this up, even though most of you guys have probably seen it by now.
It's not most, it's all.
Maybe somebody fell asleep, you know.
one day, like,
I don't think anyone can fall asleep right now.
Well, anyways, so yeah, which one do you guys think it is? Somebody is playing something in the background.
Yeah, my brother's playing laser tag.
Oh.
Oh,
Your cat says D and I. Oh, interesting.
I totally wasn't told by my friend that it was DNI. I was totally not told by my teachers that it was DNI.
yeah, I totally used math. It's not like I saw the answer.
It's I and E, guys. How do you
All right. Can you explain why it's D and I and not
Exactly.
DNA?
Where's the explanation, guys? The justification.
The
Why is it not
justification
DNA?
is that my teacher said it.
That is
If
not a
teacher is
justification.
wrong,
This is at my eyes.
wrong, I am emotionally damaged.
No, guys, we know the answer is D and I because you can see properly.
Because you guys are all very smart.
Yes.
All right.
Because our teacher said that we're smart, and the teacher said that the answer is DNI, and the teacher is smart, so that technically makes them right.
Indeed. Okay.
Whoa, this
That
is
looks like
interesting.
a weird. That's weird.
Well, you and Jeremiah got it correct. No way. It's almost like you dreamed of the answer and it was correct. And the pumpkin jumps aside to reveal a secret passageway.
Totally, bro. Totally. We are not the size of the pumpkin. Totally, bro.
And
How are you gonna fit inside the pumpkin?
You've escaped the zombies. Woohoo. But there's one more problem.
Ghastly, I think that's how you read it. I'm not sure. Anyways, so help me make my baby, is it goals?
Ghouls.
Goals. Sure. Sure. Happy. I have 10 identical pieces of candy and 3 baby ghouls. One of them, is it Wally or Wally? I'm confused.
Wally.
Wally.
Wall-E. It's Wall-E.
Can you call it Brickley? Can you call it Brickley?
Sure. One of them, Brickley, needs at least 4 pieces of candy or he will cry. How many ways can I make everyone happy? P.S. I will pay you exactly $152.00.
That's a bit too much, don't you think? 152.
No, I have a strong suspicion that the goal is a brick and the brick is a goal, so it's adder. Using the transitive property, I'm pretty sure that's true.
Yeah, totally.
And I think Wally is the guy from the movie. No, it's Brickley now. Sorry.
Anybody have any ideas? I see 7 from 2 people. So, funny story. There's a little hint. The ghoul tells you a hint because he's just really nice, I guess. Anyways,
No, because he's trying to trick us. Because he's the only child
hint.
of himself.
Use your
This is P at STEM.
that is the hint.
I don't see it. Oh, there it is.
Bones and eyeballs. Wonderful.
How are you gonna take out
I don't think the ghoul has eyeballs though.
How do you know?
Well, because they're black and
Maybe
That's
he
just
took them out and added it to his collection of eyeballs, you know?
Yeah,
That
they're
just sounded kind of racist. Yeah, that actually kind of sounded.
We should have taught everyone sticks and stones as sticks and bricks. That would have been accurate to the lesson.
Stars and bars.
That sounded racist against America, bro.
Why is that racist?
Stars and stripes instead of that they put stars and bars. Get it? Like stars and stripes, stars and bars.
I don't
Bars
think
at
it's very
jail.
racist.
Not really racist, like more like I don't know, to be honest.
Shall we reveal the answer? Oh,
Oops, I don't think the answer was like on the slide.
yeah. Okay, so basically, oh, I see a right answer. I think. Zachary? Is it 28? That's what I thought it was.
Mhm.
Okay, so basically what you do is let's use green.
For
Okay,
ghoul.
yes. So if you guys remember sticks and stones, it's where you have like stuff and you want to like divide it among like a certain number of people, and then like you add sticks to represent different groups that you're dividing into. So basically what I mean by that is okay, so we have 10 identical pieces of candy. So I'm just gonna make them into little stars. This might be a little time consuming. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Notice
Those
they're
stars look
progressively
like,
uglier.
those
Anyways,
stars look like stars that are misshapen stars.
thanks. And then there are 10 babies, right? So if we want to divide it into 3 groups, we need 2 sticks or bones or bars or whatever, right? So like it could go like here and like here or something, or like, you know, some other place, but I'm just gonna put them at the end. But the question says that one of the babies, Wally or Bricky or whatever, needs at least 4 pieces of candy or he will cry. He's a little spoiled, but
Golden ghoul.
exactly. We're gonna leave these 4 for this little spoiled brat. Anyway,
I think Wally is the guy asking the question, to be honest. He looks like he's cry.
anyways, so now we only have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stars and 2 bars, or 4 candy thingies, 2 groups or 2 group dividers still. So now the rest of the candy can be divided without the 4 pieces of candy in mind. So there's 8 objects, and now you choose 2 of the places for these like sticks to go into. So you're choosing 2 spots for the sticks, and the rest will be the stars or the candy. So 8 choose 2 is equal to 28. Yeah. What Zachary said in the chat is perfect. Alrighty, shall we move on?
Escape. ... You and Jeremiah finally escape. Woohoo!
Yay.
But you weren't that successful in your mission. You only made $295, and $195 of that was from the ghost who just randomly gave you money. So your efforts only really made $100. And was that really worth all the scariness and danger? You don't really think so.
But there's a but. Always there's a but. Jeremiah is a millionaire?
How?
So Jeremiah was actually a millionaire who got stuck in the haunted casino trying to get more money. And Jeremiah is obviously super duper thankful that you helped him. So he offers you $1 million, which you happily accept. All
don't
in cash.
I think the term millionaire was in the hundreds.
But wasn't Jeremiah like from like 1872? So that money wouldn't really be useful in 2022.
Let's say he had like $900 million. I'm sure that still equates to like
No,
a
$1
couple
million
million now,
in
right?
1972 is worth more now.
If you try to like, if you give that money to like, well, show it to someone like a museum or something, they'll suspect you for stealing, I guess.
Maybe he buried it in the ground.
Where would you steal it from? Like, there isn't a place where you could just get money from 1872.
True.
Yeah. Or maybe you like just printed it off the internet.
Well, then it would still have the watermark trademark thing, right?
Anyways, the end.